everyone, welcome to my channel. So today with us we have Alfa Romeo 8C, and this is a casting by Hot Wheels. Talking about Alfa Romeo, it is an Italian brand and is known to make some of the most beautiful and driver's car out there. And 8C was again one of the most beautiful car of its time. It was produced between 2007 to 2010, if I'm not wrong, and had a big, I won't say big, but V8, which had, the engine was 4.7 liter. And it was a beautiful car, still is a beautiful car. So let's talk about the casting. So up front, you have got the Alfa Romeo grille, the traditional Alfa grille, which is a highlight of any Alfa. Then you have got nicely detailed headlamps. You've got the hood, which is very bulgy and which makes up for all the look up front. Then there are the fog lamps, which are again nicely detailed here. I won't say nicely, but they are painted, because I can see that the paint is not completely at its position, slightly messed up, but again looks nice. At least those are detailed rather than just being there. So the windscreen is clear, and you have got the wipers up there on the side. So these wheels, not exactly as Alfa, but again way better than those multi-spokes, so do give them a character here. Again, the side, you can see there's a scoop here, and you've got this beautiful side profile, door handle. Let's go to the back. These beautiful Alfa tail lamps, those are painted there. You see 4 exhaust tips down there, but they are not painted, they are present there, and a bit of silver pen can help to detail it. There's a brake light, the F1 style brake light down there, but again it's not painted, so you can't really see it. And then there is this Alfa logo or Alfa badge, and this is the rear window. Again, this car, like most of the Alfa, even if you have seen the 4C, was a beauty. And if you see properly, or if you can see clearly, you can see the fuel filler cap here. So now let's go on to the other side. And this side, again, it has got the wheels, obviously, and the small window, the door handle, and the scoop. So this casting doesn't have any rear view mirrors on it, which most of the casting these days do get. But if I am not wrong, this is a recolor of an older casting, because I have seen this in few different colors before this. So it might be an old cast which is just reused, so it didn't have any mirrors on that time, so no more mirrors. Apart from that, the interior is done in black and nothing special there than usual interior. And at the bottom you can read Alfa Romeo 8C, Competizione, and Hot Wheels, made in Malaysia. So that's the Alfa Romeo 8C, a nice looking car, a decent looking casting, some nice details which does make it look good. And I do like the paint on this one. I've seen the orange, I think I've seen a white, I might be wrong, but I definitely have seen an orange in this one, and I prefer this paint more than that. So let me know how do you like this casting, and let me know if you have anything in your mind which you would like me to add in the videos or improve in the videos. So apart from that, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.